Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the TPlayer application on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device running an Android operating system. This method will work. For this method, we'll be using the code. I'll be running this code in the download application. To get the download application, get into the description below and watch the tutorial I have linked to understand how to download this download application. When it is downloaded, click on it to get in. Hit the home button and you'll be prompted to put in a code. The code for the TPlayer application is 311395. Be sure that this code is correct so that this can work for you. Hit the go button and you'll be redirected to this site. Give it a few seconds to take you to the MediaFire site. Right now we have been redirected to MediaFire and you can see the TPlayer download package right here. Click on this down arrow to download and your download will begin. Give it some time and this process is almost finished. Here is the TPlayer application getting downloaded into your Android TV. This is very valuable information. If you find value in it, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know has an Android TV and is looking to use the TPlayer application. When download is completed, hit the install button and this application is going to install on your Android TV. When installation is complete, hit done and you're going to delete the application's package file. This is in order to save space on your Android TV, so hit delete and that file is going to be deleted. Go home, return to your apps gallery and you'll be able to find the application you just downloaded. And that is all for this tutorial. I'll be looking to see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe if you found value.